Gabe Jenkins back with you, here to talk about another modify tool. Today we're going to be talking about the offset tool. Super useful tool. You'll find it in the modify suite of tools right here under the modify thing, and it's this little button right here that looks like kind of like a C with a bigger C around it. To offset something means to basically just create a copy of that thing, but offset a little bit by a specified distance. So for example, if you have a line right here and you want another line right next to it that's parallel to it, and you want to offset that, the second one by, in this case, like 3 inches, you can just click the offset tool, click the thing you want to make a copy of, and tell it how far you want it to be away from the original, and click again. And you've created an offset copy of the first thing you had. So let's see how this works. So I got a bunch of different elements here. I got a horizontal line, vertical line, circle, an arc, a rectangle, and a spline. So let's click the offset tool, and you'll see as soon as I click it, the first thing it's going to ask me here, the little pop-up bar says specify offset distance, right? So it's like, how far away from the original thing do you want this to be? So you can make it 5, 4, 10, however many units you want it to be, however far away you want it to be. You're just going to type that in, and you're going to hit enter. So in this case, I got 5. Cool. So I'm going to hit 5. So then it says select the object that you want to offset. So if I just hover over this line right here and click it, it selects it. And then if I move down a little bit, it'll think that I want to offset that line exactly 5 units down. If I move up, I can click up here. So you kind of move to wherever you want it to be, and then you click again. Okay. If you want to do another one down below, you can click it here and click down, right? And it's going to keep on letting you offset anything until you hit escape or enter just to get out of the tool. So say you wanted to do this one here and you wanted to offset it this way. Then you wanted to offset another one, and you just want to keep going for a while. You can kind of just keep on clicking the thing you want to offset to make an exact parallel line right next to it if you want to. It can also do it with an arc. So an arc here, if I click on here and I want to make it bigger, cool, smaller, it can do that, right? Say I want to make if I wanted to make the offset a little bit different. Say I wanted to like set the offset, we'll say this one, we'll make it a little bit smaller this time, we'll say 2, okay? So now if I click here, I can make it offset a slightly bigger circle, slightly smaller circle, right? No problem at all. Same thing with a rectangle, like a linear kind of polygon like this. I can go inside, make it bigger or smaller, keep making it smaller. You can kind of develop really kind of cool, interesting patterns like this. It can even handle something as complex as a spline. A spline is a really kind of, it's a cool shape that you might want to work with going forward. But it's going to make parallel, I mean, I guess I don't know if the right word is parallel, but a parallel curve, a curved line that is equidistant from the original at all points. So that's the offset tool. You're going to find it incredibly useful when you're making complex shapes, because very often a shape might tell you that this line and this line are, for instance, 18 units apart. And if you just draw one in the middle and you say offset it 9 up and 9 down, you'll have those 2 lines that are 18 apart from each other. It's a really useful tool, and I hope you like using it as you draw your next drawings. All right, everybody, have a great day.